here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 easy Hebrew words that you can teach your kids. I wanted to make this video because I have a few up on my channel where I'm teaching Hebrew words and Yiddish words to kind of get into that, Jewish culture that really comes through in language. And I wanted to make this video in case you have little kids at home and want to teach them a few Hebrew words. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to follow along with more of my everyday life as a Jewish mom, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so 5 Hebrew words. Let's go. The first one I want to share with you is Boker Tov. Boker Tov means good morning, and it's something that we like to say in our house in the morning when I wake my kids up. Well, sometimes they wake up on their own before I get in there, more often than not. But when I come in and greet them, I like to say Boker Tov. Sometimes I'll teach them to say Boker or in response, which is just like a kind of common back and forth. Boker is morning, or is light, Tov is good. So really you're getting a 3-for-1 on this one, but Boker Tov is good morning. My second Hebrew word for you guys, I guess I should say Hebrew phrase when I think about it, is Laila Tov. Laila Tov is good night. Laila is night. I actually love that word, by the way. I also love it as a name. Anyways, Laila is night, Tov is good. So Laila Tov means good night. So I think it's just nice to wish your kids good morning and good night in Hebrew. I also think it's a way of having almost like a special bond with them, almost like a special secret code between you. If you're not speaking Hebrew in your day-to-day life with your kids, it's nice to have a special phrase that you guys share together for morning and night. So I really love those too. My third Hebrew word to teach your kids is shalom, but I actually like pairing it with the Hebrew word CHAVERIM, which means friends. So if your kids are going to be going to Jewish day school or Hebrew school or Jewish preschool, they use that term a lot, shalom CHAVERIM, which is hello friends. So I really love introducing that term to them and making them familiar with it so it doesn't sound too foreign if they hear it outside the home. But of course, shalom is also hello and goodbye and peace. So we'll often kind of throw it around, but I love using shalom chaverim, hello friends. My fourth Hebrew word to teach your kids is MISHPACHA. MISHPACHA means family, and I love being able to use it when we're playing, like if we're grouping animals together or we're reading books about a family. I might throw in the word MISHPACHA, and just as a way to kind of introduce some Hebrew into day-to-day living. And we also talk about who our family is. That's something I love talking about with little kids. So we'll always talk about who our grandparents are, and that their grandparents are our parents, kind of making those connections, how aunts and uncles are our siblings, and who's part of our family is something we're always talking about. So I love being able to use the Hebrew word mishpacha when we do that. Also, bonus words in Hebrew, the word for mom is ima and dad is abba. So those are nice ones to throw in as well. They're very simple for little babies to say as well. Sometimes you'll get them to say ima and abba before mama and dada, but it's very similar kind of sound. So yeah, together in the Mishpacha grouping, sometimes we'll also add Ima and Abba. And my fifth and final Hebrew word for kids today is TODAH. TODAH means thank you. You can also add Rabbah, TODAH Rabbah, which means thank you very much. So that's like an extra kind way to say it. But TODAH is a really simple one. There's so many times to say thankful and to show gratitude for the blessings that we have in our life. So I love introducing that word to little ones as well. So that's it, 5 simple Hebrew words to teach your kids. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the ones I chose, and if you have any others that you're using with your kids day to day, I'd love to know that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!